Apply this in your hands and leave it for 15 minutes. Wrinkles on hands disappear. One of the things we most appreciate about youth is the beauty of our skin, to see that it is always smooth and fresh. And, for this reason we abuse it: excess sun, tanning chemicals, inappropriate creams, inks, etc., without imagining the consequences that this can bring in the long run. There is a phrase well known by all divine youth: treasure, but this treasure we lose when by our carelessness we do not take the necessary measures to protect it. When the years begin to pass, we are seeing the results of this: spots, wrinkles, loss of color, especially in our hands. When we realize this, we spend large sums of money on treatments that are not always effective in dealing with these problems and can cause us unwanted side effects. The best options are always the natural ones, because the elements that gives us nature have properties that used in the right way make us look many years younger. That has always been the dream of women and men once the old age begins to approach. Today, we will show you a homemade trick that will make your hands a show again. This home remedy will rejuvenate your skin in a short time. The ingredients you need for this simple remedy, surely have them at home, and if not, do not worry. They are very easy to get and they are also very economical. This home remedy will become the best ally of your skin. Take note: ingredients: sodium bicarbonate, coconut oil. Instructions: 1. Amounts should be provided as follows: for every 2 parts of coconut oil, 1 part of sodium bicarbonate. This will depend on the area that we are going to treat. 2. For example, if used in small hands, you should use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Process: the first thing to do is to mix in a container both ingredients. As you go to use, stir until homogeneous. This will only take a few seconds.